Hello, I'm Janine Pakditam from the Bangkok Post. It's a great pleasure to be with Dr. Pakorn Peetathawatchai, the president of the Stock Exchange of Thailand, or SET. Dr. Pakorn, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
There's also a growing popularity among startups to raise capital through digital asset exchange. How do these emerging platforms and methods of raising capital affect SET's significance to both companies and investors?
I think technology is wonderful in the way that it can give more access to fundraiser and also investor. That's why for SET we developed our Thailand Digital Exchange to support this kind of use of the technology for the financing activities. For Stock Exchange of Thailand, we need to be able to provide our services that cover wide range of financial products and also in a way that cover both traditional business and also the digital business model.
Can you elaborate a little bit more about TDX, Thailand Digital Exchange, which is set to launch in Q3 of this year, correct?
Sure. For us, our exchange would be an open platform that will be connected to many stakeholders who providing the financial service, digital financial service in the ecosystem. For example, we would connect to the token issuing, we would connect to the other exchange, we would connect to the wallet, and we would connect to all the investor and the issuing service. So you can see that for us, the TDX will be the platform that will be the open platform to connect both domestic and the international operators.
Great. Over the past few years, more Thai companies have taken sustainability to the core of the business model. Some asset management firms even offer investment products that are related to good ESGs. Why is this important for companies and investors to consider social impact investing?
When you look at the business nowadays, you would like to invest in a company that would be able to grow sustainably, not just a short run, but in a long run, and also with a growth that they can maintain. That's why when you see investors and the company nowadays, they are trying to provide information such that investors would understand how they operate and how would they be able to maintain that growth in the long run. And investors, they demand those information to be able to assess the possibility that this company would be able to maintain such performance.
Recently, the Thai government has discussed a financial transaction tax proposal for stock trade. What are your thoughts on the effect of this on SET and its investors?
I would say that this transaction tax, to be able to be applicable and to be able to be practical, the rate of the tax has to be very suitable. Could be taxed twice or more than one time, should be avoided. And the timing for the stakeholder to prepare for that should also be enough so that they can prepare everything smoothly.
Thank you. We appreciate your time. I'm Janine Pakditam, your host. Thank you very much for watching and see you next Friday at 5 p.m.